Perl tutorial part 54, CGI.pm, creating tables on the fly. I've got my script prepared again in a simple format with the title CGI.pm tables. Now if you set up your script like so, we will create some tables with CGI.pm. To start our table, we use the start table function. So and now we can put our table attributes inside a pair of curly brackets. So with the 400, and a border of 1. Now let's put in a table row. We use the start tr function. Now very importantly, the T must be a capital. So that's how we begin our table row. And now we'll start a table cell. So we'll just indent this slightly. With the start td function. Okay, so then we can put in our attributes. So let's say a width of 200. And we will align to the center. Now for the text inside the cell, we can place that in quotes. And now to end our table cell, like that. Okay, so now let's copy this whole table cell to make a second table cell. And now we use the end tr function to end our row. And now we use the end table function to end our table. Like so. Now let's save the script and run this in the browser. And here's our table. Now let's create one more table row. So let's start a row. And one whole cell down to this new table row. and an end row tag. Now let's create an attribute colspan equals 2, alignment to the right, and how about BG color of red, and we'll call this cell 3. So let's save this and run it. And here we have our finished table. Now let's have a look at this in the command prompt and have a look at the source code. We get a nicely formatted table, border 1, width of 400, our first table row with 2 cells in it, each aligned in the center with a width of 200, a new row, a background color of red, a line to the right, and a column span of 2, and that's cell 3. Our closing row tag and our closing table tag. So that's how to create tables on the fly with CGI.pm, and we will continue exploring CGI.pm in the next tutorial.